This bird lives almost its entire life without ever touching the ground.
Meet the common swift, an absolute master of the endless, open sky.
From the moment it leaves the nest, its real journey begins.
For the next 2 to 3 years, it will not land. Not once.
The sky provides everything, including its food, a diet of aerial plankton. It even drinks on the wing, skimming water with breathtaking precision. Even the complex rituals of courtship and mating happen thousands of feet up.
But how does a creature that never lands possibly get any rest?
At dusk, they climb to high altitudes, catching upward thermal currents.
Here, they enter a unique state of sleep, drifting slowly on the wind. One half of the brain stays alert, guiding its safe, effortless descent.
This incredible endurance is a quiet, breathtaking marvel of the natural world.
What this story shows us is that just like the common swift, which never touches the ground for months on end, we too are called to keep ascending, no matter the challenges, no matter the doubt. This bird's endless flight is a powerful reminder that the journey toward our dreams is about persistence and faith in ourselves. When you feel tired, remember the swift soaring high above, riding the winds with unwavering determination. Let its story inspire you to rise above obstacles, to trust your wings, and to never stop moving forward. Because the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Keep climbing, keep believing, your highest path awaits.